The next day.
As you guys saw, Gary ended up staying at the shop really late last night, buttoning up that first prototype chassis, and the guys from K5 Squared came and picked it up. It's over at their shop, which is where I'm heading right now. They're going to be throwing some suspension on, mocking things up, and potentially even putting a K5 body on top of it. I figured it was worthwhile for me to head down there, catch some of that footage, see if we run into any sort of issues, if we need to make any tweaks, and then we're going to take it from there. I'm just getting back to the PMF shop after being at K5 Squared most of the day. As you guys saw, we made that chassis into a roller. We didn't quite get to the point of putting a Blazer body on top. I think they're gonna do that tomorrow. So that means that next time that I go up to their shop, I'm gonna be able to capture kind of the final result. But it was really cool seeing that chassis all painted up and then all the suspension bits going on. There were some tweaks and things that I had to make along the way, but that is to be expected with the #1 prototype chassis. Right now, I don't know if you guys could hear, but they are grinding and cutting metal on chassis #2. So that's what the next video is gonna be all about. And I hear we're gonna get a first gen K5 delivered here to be able to do some test fitment to see if the frame design that we currently have is gonna work with that, or if we're gonna need to tweak it significantly between the different generations. So if you guys are enjoying this content, there is plenty more to come. Like I said in the very first episode, this isn't gonna be a one and done video. We're gonna have a whole series on the K5 Blazer and these chassis that we're making. And there's even a surprise that we're working on right now where we may create a chassis for not a production K5, but more of a race car build. There's lots of cool stuff. If you guys haven't liked the video, please do. Subscribe to the page, and I'll see you in the next one.